हमको पर्वत पे शक है. Parvat is the same boy who discovered the deceased person in the morning.
आकर सूचना
I
दी
am
कि
taking
उसके
into
दादा
custody.
ग्यारसी कुशवाहा को किसी ने मार डाला। मतलब इसी
तो ये तो इसको सिर्फ वेल के पास दिखा है, साथ में नहीं दिखा है।
मतलब लेकिन मतलब
किस चीज से मारा है?
इन्होंने
Stick
छुपा
से।
के मतलब इन्होंने छिपा के रखा ना, लेकिन कपड़े।
छिपा के रखे।
यस।
This would be a first application under section 439. Offences under section 302, charge sheet in the matter has been filed, investigation is concluded. It's a case of circumstantial evidence.
Yes.
May I just narrate the facts? Because what happens is the present applicant is the blooded grandson of the deceased person.
कौन है आप?
I am the grandson.
Yes.
Real blooded grandson of the deceased person. Now, Millets, I, along with my wife, at 7 o'clock in the morning on the 4th of June 2023, reached the cottage made at the field.
Yes.
There, I discover my grandfather lying dead, injured with a lacerated wound on his skull, bleeding heavily.
What is his name? Deceased का क्या नाम?
Deceased is Gyasi.
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 Yes.
I discover him lying deceased in that particular cottage on the field.
Yes.
I, Millets, call up Manoj, who is my first cousin and who is the son of Shivdayal. That is my uncle. The deceased person had 3 sons.
Yes.
Now, Millets, after that, the morgue is lodged. In the morgue, statements of persons are recorded. They say that we have no apprehension that anybody has committed this. It's a case, unknown persons, the FIR was registered against me.
Yes.
Now, Millets, on the 6th, that is after 2 days, the narrative changes.
Yes.
And the narrative changes only to the extent of suspicion.
Yes.
They say that हमको पर्वत पे शक है. Parvat is the same boy who discovered the deceased person
Yes.
in the morning. I am taken into custody. My memorandum statement is recorded, and they discover 2 pieces of property, Millets, from me.
Yes.
The first is a weapon, which
Yes.
they allege to be the weapon. That is a stick. That is discovered from an open place.
Yes.
The courtyard of one of my uncles. The courtyard of the house of one of my uncles. That has got no blood on it.
That is Shivdayal.
No. This, they say, is discovered from the house of. I'll just point it.
क्या मिला है वहां से?
कपड़े
Kailash, from the house of one Kailash.
क्या मिला है?
One stick. This has got no blood on it. Thereafter, they recover clothes from my house.
Yes.
That's a different place.
Yes.
That they say खून जैसा दाग लगा हुआ है.
Yes.
Now, Millets, my only explanation where this bloodstain is concerned is that I am not unknown to the deceased. Prosecution story itself is that I was the first person to discover the dead body of my deceased grandfather who was heavily bleeding. Natural conduct would suggest that I would go first see to his vitals whether he's alive, not alive. Of course, when he was not alive, I informed my brother and the morgue got lodged. Admittedly, I was the first person near my grandfather's dead body. Now, that, Millets, is my very natural explanation of if at all that is human blood. We need not wait for the FSL report. I admit it for the sake of my arguments in bail that we assume it's human blood. But when I was the first one to see my grandfather, my blooded grandfather at 7, I would definitely check his vitals, turn him over, see whether he's alive or not. Most natural conduct of a grandson.
Yes, state.
Mulot, in this case, Mulot, FSL report is necessary because the Mulot 3 last seen witnesses is there. Mulot.
No last seen witness.
No, hey.
Last seen witnesses are there.
Mulot.
Let him read the statement.
Mulot. ये मुलोट विजय यादव है एंड गंगा यादव एंड मुलोट हलकाई कुशवाहा मुलोट मैरिड मुलोट फर्स्ट मुलोट
Yes.
मुलोट रिलेवेंट पोर्शन पढ़ रहा हूँ। दिनांक 3/6/2023 को शाम 6-7 बजे करीबन मैं अपने खेत तरफ से निकला तो मुझे ग्यारसी कुशवाहा का नाती पर्वत कुशवाहा उसके कुआं के पास दिखा। मैं ग्यासी कुशवाहा के खेत तरफ नहीं गया। दूसरे दिन पर्वत कुशवाहा ने खेत पर आकर सूचना दी कि उसके दादा ग्यारसी कुशवाहा को किसी ने मार डाला। मतलब इसी
तो ये तो इसको सिर्फ वेल के पास दिखा है, साथ में नहीं दिखा है।
मतलब इसी प्रकार का मतलब 161 है गंगा यादव का।
तो
And
लास्ट सीन इज नॉट देयर देन।
मतलब लेकिन जो इससे कपड़े जब्ती हुए मतलब इनसे ब्लड लगे कपड़े जब्ती हुए हैं और इनकी निशानदेही भी जब्ती हुई है।
नहीं तो ये तो बोल ही रहे हैं ना, ही डिस्कवर्ड द बॉडी। और इनके दादाजी हैं तो ये गए होंगे वहां पे, तो लगा है खून।
लेकिन मतलब
किस चीज से मारा है?
इन्होंने
Stick
छुपा
से।
के मतलब इन्होंने छिपा के रखा ना मतलब लेकिन कपड़े
छिपा के रखे।
यस इनकी निशानदेही पे मिले।
Government advocate appearing for state praise for short time to call for FSL report regarding blood group blood group found on the cloth which has been recovered at the instance of applicant Parvat. Prayer is allowed after 3 weeks week commencing.
Let me, I'll just point out, the clothes are from my house. मैंने छिपा के ऐसा नहीं, they are from my house. I've taken them from my house and bought them.
You have given the memorandum.
And of
आपके
course-
memorandum पे discover हुए.
Yes.
That's it. You wait for the FSL.
Yes.
Ever so. Would it be 2 weeks, may I pray?
2 weeks will be too short for FSL report.
Number 52.
पास होगा
Why pass होगा?
माइक